Opti-Free Puramoist Multi-Purpose. Product details. Opti-Free Puramoist is your multi-purpose contact lens solution from morning till night and everything in between. No matter what your day brings, Opti-Free Puramoist gives you all-day comfort. Exclusive dual disinfectants Poliquid and Aldox get rid of microorganisms that can cause eye infections. The HydroGlide Moisture Matrix surrounds your lenses in a cushion of moisture, provides all-day comfort, and creates a barrier that reduces deposits and debris. Unlike saline solutions that only rinse your lenses, Opti-Free multi-purpose solutions rinse, clean, disinfect, store and recondition your lenses. Shop the entire Opti-Free assortment of eye care products and contact lens solutions online or in-store at Walmart. Choose Opti-Free, the #1 doctor-recommended multi-purpose contact lens solution. Poliquid and Aldox disinfectants get rid of microorganisms that can cause eye infections. #1 doctor-recommended multi-purpose contact lens solution.
Multi-purpose contact lens solution that rinses, cleans, disinfects, stores, and reconditions contact lenses unlike saline solutions.
Eye disinfectant solution for simple, safe eye care with added comfort and moisture. Free lens case included. Instructions. Good lens care practices. Always follow instructions on package. Insert inside carton. Only use fresh solution to clean and disinfect contact lenses. Discard any remaining solution in your lens case after disinfection. Never reuse solution. If you are allergic to any of the above ingredients, do not use this product. Warning. Reuse of solution or use of water with lenses may lead to contamination resulting in eye injury and potential loss of vision. See package insert carton for complete instructions and additional important safety information. Tamper evident. For your protection, this bottle has an imprinted seal around the neck. Do not use if the seal is damaged or missing at the time of purchase. Remove imprinted seal around bottleneck completely before use.